Foods that rebuild muscle and prevent decline. The muscle crisis after 50 and foods accelerating loss. Hi there, if you're over 50, did you know you could be losing 3 to 8% of your muscle mass every decade? That's like shedding a whole pound of strength each year. But here's the good news. Your fork is your most powerful tool to fight back. Today, we'll uncover foods silently speeding up muscle loss and the delicious swaps that rebuild strength at any age. Why muscle matters more after 50. Muscle isn't just for athletes. It's your body's health insurance. After 50, strong muscles mean 1. Stay independent. Lift groceries, climb stairs, and avoid falls, a top cause of injury after 65. 2. Shield your metabolism. Muscle burns calories at rest, fighting age-related weight gain. 3. Protect your brain. Studies link muscle strength to lower dementia risk.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
But here's the problem. After 50, our bodies become less efficient at using protein to build muscle. That's why what we eat becomes critical. 5 worst foods accelerating muscle loss. 1. Processed meats, bacon, sausage, deli meats. These are packed with nitrates and excess sodium, which spike inflammation and block muscle repair. Worse, they often replace high-quality protein. Swap for grilled salmon or turkey, rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Sugary cereals and pastries. Refined sugars cause insulin resistance, a key driver of muscle wasting. Just one sugary cereal bowl can dump 12 grams plus sugar into your system. Swap for oatmeal with walnuts and cinnamon, stable energy plus muscle-friendly fats. 3. Alcohol, more than 1 drink a day. Alcohol dehydrates muscles and slashes protein synthesis by up to 40%. Swap for tart cherry juice, natural anti-inflammatory that aids recovery. 4. Fried foods. Reused frying oils generate free radicals that damage muscle cells and worsen arthritis. Swap for air-fried sweet potatoes, loaded with potassium to prevent cramps. 5. Low-protein diets. Skipping protein at meals is like refusing bricks to a builder. Seniors need 25 to 40 grams protein per meal to trigger muscle growth. Fix it. Add Greek yogurt or eggs to breakfast. Sneaky saboteurs beyond food. Part 2. Top muscle-building foods and simple daily strategies. Welcome back. Now that we've banished the muscle saboteurs, let's load your plate with powerhouse foods that rebuild strength naturally after 50. These aren't bodybuilder shakes, just delicious, affordable foods you can find in any grocery store. Top 5 muscle-rebuilding foods. 1. Eggs, the complete protein. Nature's perfect protein. Each egg gives you 6 grams protein plus leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle growth. Studies show seniors eating eggs maintain more strength than those avoiding them. Try 2 eggs scrambled with spinach and turmeric, anti-inflammatory boost. 2. Salmon, the omega-3 powerhouse. Rich in omega-3s that reduce muscle inflammation and double protein synthesis effectiveness. Just 3 ounces provides 22 grams protein. Easy meal. Canned salmon on whole grain crackers with lemon. 3. Cottage cheese, overnight repair specialist. Packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds muscles for hours. Perfect before bed. 1 cup equals 25 grams protein plus bone-strengthening calcium. 4. Lentils, plant-based muscle fuel. 1 cooked cup equals 18 grams protein plus 15 grams fiber. The iron content carries oxygen to muscles, critical for energy during strength training. Pro tip: pair with vitamin C, bell peppers, to boost iron absorption. 5. Greek yogurt. Gut muscle connector. Probiotics improve protein absorption by 30% in aging guts. Choose plain over flavored to avoid sugar traps. Power Parfait, layer with blueberries and almonds. 3 simple muscle meal formulas. Formula 1, the 30-gram breakfast. 2 eggs plus 1 cup Greek yogurt plus 1 tablespoon chia seeds equals 32 grams protein. Graphic, plate with 50% protein, 25% veggies, 25% whole grains. Formula 2, recovery lunch. 1 cup lentil soup plus 3-ounce salmon plus large spinach salad equals 40 grams protein. Which muscle food will you try first? Hit like if you found this helpful and subscribe for our next video. 5-minute strength exercises you can do at your kitchen counter.